Hi, this is Mavra Hussain and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
On a huge popular demand, we have with us Mavra Hussain finally on Bollywood Hungama. Her fans have been just pestering me for a long time now that we want an interview with Mavra, and we finally have her on Bollywood Hungama. Mavra, wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hungama first of all.
Thank you.
And how does it feel being in India and being on Bollywood Hungama, which is apparently quite popular in Pakistan?
You know, it feels great whenever I'm at something which has got anything to do with Bollywood.
Right.
So the Bollywood Hungama. So yeah, it's nice being here. And I was looking forward to your interview. Kafi arse se we are trying to make this happen.
Right. Okay, and you're being watched live on your your fans all across.
Yeah, I want to
the
give them a
Facebook.
heart.
You like doing that?
Yeah.
You like doing that?
That's my signature. Heart for my fans.
Right. In fact, I was just watching one of your videos and you're just trying to communicate without saying anything. Something like that.
मेरा गला उस दिन बहुत खराब था and I was at this red carpet and जो भी publication थी उन्होंने कहा कि आप अपने fans के लिए कुछ कहें. So I was like, you, this.
Right.
So it kind of works whenever I have a bad throat.
Right. I've seen quite a few of your, in fact, interviews, chat shows on Pakistani television as well. I've read your open letters and all those as well, which are like very interesting. So you have this tremendous fascination, you know, for spreading love. You say that we should not be spreading hatred of any sort. We should be spreading love, and I think that is something which is extremely important for the world right now, the way we are.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं उतने बड़े लेवल पे भी सोच पाती हूँ कि मैं कोई वर्ल्ड के लिए कुछ बेहतरी कर रही हूँ. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स वेरी सेल्फिश. इट्स ऑन अ वेरी पर्सनल लेवल बिकॉज मुझे तभी बहुत नरिश्ड और अच्छा फील होगा व्हेन आई विल गिव आउट लव. दैट्स द ओनली वे आई विल रिसीव इट बैक. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी सेल्फिश अप्रोच. मैं उसको बिल्कुल भी कोई सोशल वर्किंग का वो नहीं देना चाहती हूँ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. So I like getting warmth and love from people, so I give it out, and it's a give and take. So yeah, और वैसे भी और कुछ बेटर करने को है नहीं लाइफ में, then just be कुछ कोई ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपकी एनर्जी लग जाती है just to be nice, to say a few nice words, and you'll have a great wonderful day. तो अगर उसी तरह you'll have every other day तो अच्छा सा साल निकल.
बिल्कुल, absolutely. In fact, आपको ज़्यादा I think कोशिश करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है that other people should be loving you. आप इतनी आप खूबसूरत हैं माशाल्लाह कि that आपसे मोहब्बत करना तो वैसे भी बहुत आसान हो जाता है.
Thank you. I hope मेरे fans ये सुन रहे हैं और बढ़ रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. एक मैं इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज़ मैं देख रहा था, आपके एक चैट शो पे आप थी और आपसे किसी ने पूछा कि that हमने ये सुना है कि that वो आपके रोने से बहुत मुतासिर थे और आपको जो सनम तेरी कसम आपकी जो पहली हिंदी फिल्म थी तो आपको मिलने का उसमें राज ये था कि that आप रोती बहुत खूबसूरती से हैं और आपने जवाब दिया था कि that they wanted a beautiful girl who can cry well.
Yeah.
ये तो बहुत ही I think बहुत ही मखसूस किस्म का एक रिक्वायरमेंट हो गया अगर किसी एक्ट्रेस.
मुझे पता नहीं था ये इतना इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाएगा, लेकिन जब मैंने पाकिस्तान में भी काम शुरू किया था तो एक दो प्रोजेक्ट्स के बाद मुझसे लोग कहीं मिलते थे रोड पे मॉल में तो पूछते मैम आप इतना रोती क्यों है. तो तब मेरे पास ज्यादा जवाब नहीं होता था तो आई यूज्ड टू से कि it's because of me crying well I get work. तो अब जब कोई पूछता है तो मैं बोलती मेरी डेब्यू फिल्म मुझे इस वजह से मिली है. So now you can't question this. So I feel it's kind of a USP and I should use it. But अभी I'm so tired of crying. I want to do comedy. I want to try different things.
Right. सनम तेरी कसम I think it's been a good debut. बहुत बार क्या होता है कि जो newcomers होते हैं और अगर star sons या daughters अगर ना हो तो शायद उतना उनको रिकॉग्निशन नहीं मिलता है, उतना उनको many times buzz उतना नहीं हो पाता है. लेकिन सरप्राइजिंगली एक तो आपकी म्यूजिक आपकी बहुत कामयाब रहा और उसके अलावा जो पिक्चर रिलीज होने के बाद काफी फेवरेबल आप लोगों को रिव्यूज मिले और बहुत से लोगों से मैंने बात करी है और लोगों का रिस्पांस ये था कि वी वर सरप्राइज्ड कि that it's a surprisingly nice film and the performances are very good, both Harsh as well as Mavra, they've done very well. कैसा आपको लगा कि that जब जिस तरीके के रिव्यूज आपको मिले हैं यहाँ पर?
मैंने सारे रिव्यूज पढ़े हैं. सिंस यू फॉलो मी ऑन ट्विटर यू मस्ट नो कि मैं सोशल मीडिया में हर वक्त एक्टिव रहती हूँ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो
आस्क मावरा.
आस्क मावरा, यस. तो मैंने सारे रिव्यूज पढ़े हैं. इट्स वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग. मुझे लगता है कि आई कुड नॉट हैव गॉटन अ बेटर स्टोरी और अ बेटर प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे आपको इतना मार्जिन ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस मिले. इट्स वेरी रेयर क्योंकि न्यू कमर पे या तो स्टोरी को इतना रिलाई करना इज नॉट सेफ और समथिंग, लेकिन इतना मार्जिन नहीं मिलता है टू अ न्यू कमर के वो इतना डिफरेंट चीजें कर पाए. आई रियलाइज्ड आफ्टर आई वाज ऑन टू द फिल्म के इट्स लेटिंग मी बिकम अ नर्ड एंड बिकम अ Bollywood heroine in a sari. तो वो इतनी सारी मार्जिन आपको मिलती है, देन पीपल वॉच यू, और फिर with every review I would realize अच्छा उन्होंने भी देख ली you know, so it was very overwhelming. It's good to know that people have watched it, liked my performance and liked Harsha's performance, so yeah, it's
okay. But क्या आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ डाउट्स आपके माइंड में नहीं थे जब आपने ये फिल्म साइन करी? बिकॉज यू नो व्हेन टॉकिंग अबाउट द नर्डी पार्ट ऑफ इट, मतलब काफी हद तक ऐसे दिखाया गया कि दैट आपको काफी लड़कों ने रिजेक्ट भी किया है और आप चश्मा लगाती हैं, और बाद में हम देखते हैं कि जब आप इनफैक्ट वाटर अपैरेंटली गेट्स द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ यू और आप कितनी खूबसूरत आप नजर आ सकती हैं, तो वो भी हम देखते हैं। तो आपको कुछ डाउट्स नहीं थे कि यार मतलब मैं बॉलीवुड मेरी फिल्म है और जो एक्ट्रेसेस हैं बहुत खूबसूरत होना चाहिए, मैं खूबसूरत हूँ, लेकिन दे आर नॉट रियली कैपिटलाइजिंग अपॉन दैट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ माय पर्सनैलिटी?
मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज़ आप once you're 3 or 4 films old,
right,
to make people believe that you're a character becomes difficult. तो शायद पहली फिल्म में ही to get this opportunity and to make people believe that I'm this South Indian girl with chashma who's been rejected by boys was easier. यही कुछ 4-5 मूवीज करने के बाद अगर मैं I'll want to make people believe that no boys like me or you know I'm rejected, तो वो I think वो actor के part पे becomes more difficult. So I think yeah, it was the right time to do it, and then there is no fixed formula of doing a
as
good
a performer
or bad
as a performer you got a response that you were looking for. You've also been apparently criticized for that, even for your Pakistani serials. You have this bit of a damsels in distress sort of image. So you've said to that Shah Rukh Khan still opens his arms in his signature pose. That's his USP. So why shouldn't I continue to play
I'm so glad you read it for people, because I would have answered you the same way.
Right. How do you react to this? That it's a wonderful way of saying actually that people still expect Shah Rukh to do that.
Yeah, because अगर when Shah Rukh started his career, I am not saying I'm Shah Rukh, but I'm just saying कि अगर उन्होंने जब career start किया, उनको 2-3 पिक्चर बाद कोई बोलता कि आप अब इस तरह हाथ खोलने छोड़ दो, बार बार यही करोगे, तो वो छोड़ देते, तो शायद हम लोग अभी उतने पागल नहीं होते उनके उस you know एक्ट के लिए। तो आई थिंक जो भी चीज़ आप जिसमें गुड जो भी आप अच्छा कर पाते हो, जो भी आपको लगता है कि आपका यूएसपी है, यू शुड कीप डूइंग इट। एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट आई वांट टू कीप क्राइंग, आई वांट टू कीप बीइंग द डैमसेल इन डिस्ट्रेस, बट इफ गिवन एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, यस आई वुड लव टू डू इट अगेन एंड अगेन।
You also said that when I cry on screen, people cry with me.
They do. People cry now. I can say that people cry in the cinemas with me.
Right.
So it's थोड़ी मेरी promotion हो गई।
Right. Talking about the music.
जी।
Of Sanam Teri Qasam, were you expecting this sort of score? Because I think एक से एक बढ़िया उसमें गाने आपको in fact
I think I've been very lucky. I think I've been absolutely lucky. I don't know any other debutante film who has 7-8 songs.
Right. And in fact अभी office में when I told a friend of mine that Mavra is coming, so he was like खींच मेरी photo. So the first reaction was खींच मेरी photo.
Actually मुझे भी कुछ लोग जो fans मिलते हैं malls में या कहीं पे, तो उनको मूवी का नाम कभी दिमाग से निकल भी जाए तो they're always like you're the खींच मेरी photo girl. तो वो आपको लगता है कि you know the song has done really well.
Right. Even apart from that, Bewaja and Sanam Teri Qasam.
Yeah, but खींच मेरी photo has
been
really good for all of us.
Right. And in fact मुझे किसी ने बताया कि that आप गाती भी बहुत अच्छा हैं।
नहीं आपको किसने बताया?
मुझे
गाना खास था। नहीं
because काफी आपके fans आपके रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे
कि मावरा बिल्कुल नहीं गा सकती। आप मेरी आवाज सुने, आप शुक्र करें मैं बोल पा रही हूँ।
Right.
So I was speaking on the phone अभी इंटरव्यू के लिए आते हुए, and this girl called me जिनसे मेरी बात होते रहती है, and she's like मावरा आपका गला खराब है? I said नहीं मेरी आवाज ऐसी है। नहीं मेरी आपसे पहले भी बात हुई है। मैंने कहा हाँ वो लेटर हाफ ऑफ द डे में बात हुई होगी, क्योंकि सुबह के 6 घंटे आवाज डिफरेंट रहती है उठने के बाद और शाम में चेंज हो जाती है। तो गाना तो
ये काफी इनफैक्ट दिलचस्प।
तो गाना गाने के लिए भी हमें बहुत टाइम करना पड़ेगा कि शायद 7:30 से 7:45 के बीच में she can sing.
अच्छा like that. Okay. So we'll plan the next interview.
Yeah, maybe.
The similar timings actually.
अभी मैं थोड़ा फिगर आउट करती हूँ किस टाइम पे I have the best voice.
Right.
और अगला इंटरव्यू हम उस टाइम पे रखेंगे।
Now once again अगर आप जैसे देखें जिस तरीके से बहुत से पाकिस्तानी एक्टर्स यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा इनफैक्ट काम कर रहे हैं। फवाद खान इनफैक्ट अभी कपूर इंसान उनकी फिल्म आई थी और जिस तरीके का रिस्पॉन्स इनफैक्ट है, आई थिंक लड़कियाँ जो हैं बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली दीवानी हैं उनकी। बहुत से इनफैक्ट बॉलीवुड के एक्टर्स जो हैं वो खासा इनफैक्ट इस चीज़ से जेलस फील कर रहे हैं। Ali Zafar is extremely popular out here. Mahira is coming up as well, and the other people as well. You are extremely popular. आपको कैसा लगता है कि that जैसे जो आम लोग हैं वो तो सिर्फ मोहब्बत बिखेरना चाहते हैं, चाहे यहाँ पर हो चाहे पाकिस्तान में हो। लेकिन कभी कभार जब आप सर्टेन डिफरेंसेस आपको मतलब फेस करने पड़ते हैं, अपोजिशन फेस करना पड़ता है, तो क्या तकलीफ होती है आपको? बिकॉज जब जबान सिमिलर है, कल्चर बहुत हद तक सिमिलर है, मैक्सिमम लोग जो हैं वो जैसे आपने कहा कि मोहब्बत बिखेरना चाहते हैं, और नफरत पाल के तो किसी को कुछ मिलने वाला है नहीं वैसे भी।
मुझे लगता है कि वो आप कहीं पे भी काम करोगे एंड इफ यू डोंट बिलोंग फ्रॉम दैट कंट्री, तो थोड़ा सा तो कुछ हर्डल्स तो होंगे। मेरी पर्सनल ओपिनियन इस बात पे ये है कि इट्स ओके, इट्स अ प्रोसेस एंड एवरी प्रोसेस शुड बी फॉलोड। अगर मैं अपने कंट्री में प्रोसेस हो या कहीं कंट्री में जाने के लिए प्रोसेस हो, एवरी प्रोसेस शुड बी प्रॉपर्ली फॉलोड एंड इट टेक्स नो टाइम। अगर आप उसमें अपनी गलत एनर्जीज इन्वेस्ट करने लगो कि ओ माय गॉड व्हाई आर दे स्टॉपिंग मी, ओ व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग और दैट हैपनिंग, फिर तो सब काम गड़बड़ हो जाएगा।
बिल्कुल।
सो इट्स बेटर, आई थिंक वी आर द लकी वंस जो भी आपने नाम लिया। आई एम सो ग्लैड कि अब पीपल टेक माय नेम विद फवाद, माहिरा एंड एवरीवन। ये भी इट्स एन अचीवमेंट फॉर मी। लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जस्ट टू बी एबल टू वर्क इन बोथ कंट्रीज इज अ ब्लेसिंग, कि मुझे वहां पे भी मैं काम कर रही हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे भी काम कर रही हूँ। तो मैं तो I think blessed a lot more than normal.
Mavra, actually we would like to do some rapid fire with you as well. We've heard that you are extremely witty.
आपके shows मैंने follow किए हैं
जी,
और मुझे आपके rapid fire से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है।
नहीं, डरिए मत आप। Okay,
बहुत rapid नहीं होगा मेरे साथ, आप rapid ही करिएगा, I'll be slow.
आप अपना you take your time absolutely. And मैंने ये सुना है कि आप खासा विटी हैं और खासा आप दिलचस्प आपके आंसर्स होते हैं।
टाइम क्या हो रहा है? तो टाइम के हिसाब से मेरा वेट, मेरा वॉइस,
अच्छा ऐसा,
everything is timed.
Everything is timed.
Is it like 3 p.m?
It is 2 p.m.
Okay.
No, we are hoping that you are at your best because बॉलीवुड हंगामा पाकिस्तान में भी बहुत देखा जाता है और हिंदुस्तान में, दुनिया भर में
बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
So it's like not merely in Pakistan and India but all across the world we are watched. So I hope that you'll put your best foot forward. So we're looking forward there.
Okay.
So rapid fire with Mavra Hussain. Name your favorite food. Biryani. All right.
Nahari also.
Nahari. Oh my God. Actor. Name your favorite actor.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah, he sent you a video message as well. I saw that video message. And apparently you admit that you're a huge fan of Ranbir Kapoor.
Absolutely.
And one of the chat show hosts said कि that Katrina का क्या होगा? So she said कि उसका जो होता है।
मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा था, मैंने smile दी थी, cute सी।
Right, cute सी smile. Okay. Favorite vacation spot?
San Francisco.
Favorite book?
40 Rules of Love.
Apparently you've read a book recently by a Turkish author or something as well. You read a book recently by some Turkish author, apparently, I think.
No. It's that book. It is by Elif Shafak, but I haven't recently read it. I read it about 4 or 5 years ago, और उसके बाद से I've been recommending it to everybody.
Fantastic.
Brilliant book.
Your favorite movie?
ये मुश्किल है, मुझे सब movies पसंद हैं. I really don't know what's my favorite.
Okay. Men find Mavra Hussain sexy because ...
They don't find me sexy. They find me cute. It will take me some time and some effort to have them find me sexy.
But you know, I have.
Oh, they find me sexy because I'm a stylist. I want to give time.
That's like not like, because you know that particular scene when you're just coming out of that water tub, and I think you're looking extremely different and from what you generally do. An actor from Bollywood you had your first crush on? Ranbir Kapoor. Your honest first reaction if Salman Khan sings "To Kheech Meri Photo" to you?
I'll be more than happy. It'll be so sweet of him if he does that.
Funniest nickname you've ever had?
Chutki.
Chutki?
Yeah.
All right.
I still have it. My nano still calls me that.
Okay, 3 things in a man that put you off.
Rapid fire and 3 things in a man that put me off. I don't know. Being over smart, being insensitive, and if he's more a narcissist than I am.
Okay, you would like that. But you're comfortable with you being narcissist?
Yeah.
Women are allowed?
Yeah.
Women should be allowed?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, he should be a narcissist, but not more than me.
Not more than you?
He'll put me off if he's too much.
आप नापेंगे कैसे आप?
But I think वो मिलके idea हो जाएगा.
मिलके idea हो जाएगा. It's like a gut feeling.
Yeah.
That's a very interesting answer actually. Assume you're on a date with Ranbir Kapoor and Ryan Gosling calls you up for a cup of coffee at his place. Whom you'll choose?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor over Ryan Gosling?
Yeah.
Man. Silliest rumor you've ever read about yourself? Heard about yourself?
Which rumor?
Silliest rumor you've ever heard about yourself?
Silliest rumor. Yeah, that I've gotten married like twice and gotten engaged. And, things like these keep coming up after you've done a project and a Dulhan pictures goes out and you're like, oh, she got married. So that keeps happening.
Okay, a thing common between India and Pakistan?
Art. Language, art.
Okay.
A lot of things are common. But what जो सबसे ज़्यादा common and that's art, and that is because of the language is common.
जी. An actor from Bollywood apart from Harshvardhan you would like to steal from Bollywood to Pakistani movies?
Ranbir Kapoor.
My God, Ranbir Kapoor.
Who else? I can't think of any other name.
You can't think of anything else. All right. How's it your experience of being on, say, Bollywood, like say on Pakistani chat shows? Because I was seeing one of your interviews on a chat show, and the amount of all these things that they put. इधर हमें तो लगा था कि आपकी पहली फिल्म जो है शायद उसमें फोश कुछ एलिमेंट होगा, लेकिन वो हमें तो बिल्कुल नजर नहीं आया. कहीं ना कहीं जो एक जजमेंटल एलिमेंट है वो थोड़ा सा उससे आपको खौफ होता है कुछ?
मुझे लगता है कि अगर ज्यादा खौफ करने लगेंगे तो कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे लाइफ.
औरतों के मुताल्लिक
and honestly I'll tell you I don't think about all of this. That's what keeps saving me. क्योंकि अभी आपने क्वेश्चन किया तो मुझे सोचना पड़ा कि मैं इस बारे में क्या सोचती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं इस बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं सोचती हूँ. I come from a family where my parents are more than happy with what I do. My siblings are always proud of me. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई इस तरफ थॉट ले जाने का कोई मेरे पास रीजन नहीं है. So I'm very happy doing what I do, and then I do what I feel is right. So eventually some people would find it right, some people won't. Even this interview, it's all very subjective. Some people will think this is not the right thing to do. Some people will think it is. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप उस subjectivity में पढ़ोगे तो you'll have to stop and see what to do next. तो मुझे लगता है one should just go with the flow. And
okay, and many people from India, they have all sorts of notions about Pakistan and all sorts of एक आप जहन में आप बना लेते हैं कि भाई दैट पाकिस्तान में ये होता होगा, पाकिस्तानी ऐसे होते होंगे. लेकिन जब हम लोग ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो काफ़ी बार हम काफ़ी चीज़ें, जैसे अगर आपको देखें तो आप खासा लिबरल आप नज़र आती हैं और खासा मॉडर्न आप नज़र आती हैं, और एक आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है वो मुख्तलिफ है.
I think I'm any other girl who will be 23 and be it India, be it Pakistan, be it anywhere in the world. वो डिपेंड करता है कि what age group you are into, and that's why I think हम बना पाते हैं fans across border also, because we are just like them. वो ऐसा पता नहीं होता, but we are just one of them.
लेकिन अगर जैसे अगर पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी के बारे में अगर बात करें तो आपको कैसा लगता है कि दैट किस तरीके से इवॉल्व कर रही है? व्हाट इज योर पर्सनल ओपिनियन एज अ यंग पाकिस्तानी योरसेल्फ?
आई विश मैं इतना सोचती होती. मुझे एकदम से लग रहा है मैं क्यों इन बातों पे सोचती नहीं. लेकिन आई थिंक societies would differ from a city to city. तो वो कुछ ऐसा जनरल ओपिनियन नहीं है मेरा किसी भी सोसाइटी पे. मुझे बस ये लगता है, आई एम फ्रॉम इस्लामाबाद, आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी लिबरल सोसाइटी, एंड आई लाइक बीइंग वेयर, जहाँ मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ, आई लाइक दैट प्लेस. और मुझे कभी भी कुछ ऐसा रिस्ट्रेन या कुछ ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ है. तो आई एम श्योर आई कम फ्रॉम अ लिबरल सोसाइटी, बट आई हैवंट रियली हैड अ बर्ड आइज व्यू ऑफ इट ऑल्सो. So I don't know, but you can visit us and you can see what
it's like. Would love to. Would love to. In fact, that is something that is on my bucket list, and apparently Pakistani food is excellent actually.
Oh, you must go to Lahore and eat.
Yeah, that's what.
Yummy food.
That's what. Even Karachi, I believe, the food.
Yeah, but the yummiest is Lahore.
Is Lahore? Okay.
Best food, best nahari, best halwas.
Nahari, my God.
Yeah.
Seriously. Mavra, we've taken a few fan questions of yours as well. There have been many of them. They've been asking for a long time, so we'll try and just figure out as many as we can possibly.
Okay.
This is Sabah from Mombasa, Kenya. What was the biggest compliment she got for Sanam Teri Qasam, and from whom?
बहुत सारे हैं तो मैं कुछ अभी गलत डिसीजन नहीं करना चाहती, but I met Hema Malini ji 4 days ago.
You in Jaipur?
Yeah, and she complimented me for my film.
Right.
और उस वक्त वहाँ पे Dream Girl song चल रहा था, and we were standing on a stage, and she said that you've done a good job in your film. So in that moment when Dream Girl is playing and she's standing in front of you, it was like a dream.
Absolutely, must have been.
That.
All right, this is Manil Virk. I don't know from where, but the question is, which Fawad Khan drama do you like the most?
Humsafar.
Humsafar?
Without any doubt, yeah.
Right. And how do you react to the response of your Pakistani serials on Zindagi Live is something that they show on?
I think it's wonderful.
right.
मुझे तो because थोड़ा पुराना काम चलता है इसी जिंदगी पे,
जी.
लेकिन the response is remarkable. In fact, Vidya Balan day before yesterday tweeted about one of my projects that's running on Zee Zindagi. So one of the people from their PR called me and said, "Have you read this? And what do you want to say about that drama?" I said, "I've forgotten what the story of the drama was because कुछ 3-4 साल पुराना है." And I was like, no, I need to recall it और देखती हूँ थोड़ा क्या चल रहा है जिंदगी पे, because people in India are really liking it.
No, they love it actually. एक तो क्या होता है ना, वो जो लहजा है और बात करने का जो तलफ़ुज़ है वो बहुत सा इनफैक्ट बहुत से लोगों को पसंद आता है. आप जाएं, आप कहाँ
I hope I can retain it.
आए ये सब the way you guys talk. आप जाएं और आप आएं. इनफैक्ट फवाद इवन इन कपूर हसन.
But I'm like a sponge.
आप जाएं, आप कहाँ?
मैं इंडिया की तो आप लोगों की तरह बोलने लगती हूँ.
Right. नहीं, but I think अब जो आपकी मखसूस खूबसूरती है बोलने का, तो I think that is amazing in its own way. This is Maya from USA, your favorite Salman Khan film, and we would love you to star opposite him.
Oh, I'd love that too. Favorite film would be Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Yeah, that's amazing actually, I think.
Beautiful film.
This is Hanita from Myanmar. What are your strong points as an actress?
Can I say I can cry well?
Actually, I was about to say that, but I thought that you might.
No, but actually there is one of my strengths. But I think the strongest would be the idea that I can blend in anywhere. For an actor, it's very important कि आप जहाँ भी जाओ, because even Islamabad and Karachi won't be the same. Even Karachi and Lahore won't be the same. तो आप जहाँ भी जाओ, जहाँ पे भी आप शूट करो, जहाँ भी आपको एक नई स्टोरी में डाला है, वो स्टोरी शायद किसी गाँव पे बेस्ड हो, या तो जैसी भी जगह पे आपको जाना पड़ता है to shoot and to be a part of that film or drama. जैसे I was a South Indian in Sanam Teri Kasam, तो मुझे लगता है to be able to blend in, to be like one of them is important. तो वो आसान है मेरे लिए.
Great. This is Sibi. I think it's Siptan from South Africa. That one quality of Priyanka Chopra that makes her a super fan of PC. Apparently, you tweeted to her recently.
Oh, I love her. I don't know what one quality I can talk about, but I think she inspires me every day. Every day. I would read a tweet by her, I would see an Instagram post or something, and it'll make my day. She's so hardworking, she's unstoppable. Look at her.
Absolutely.
I know, मैं उनके बारे में बात करती हूँ, मेरी शक्ल थोड़ी चेंज हो जाती है, थोड़ी आंखें मेरी स्पार्कल करने लगती हैं. I think she inspires
amazing.
You. She inspires you. She does every day.
All right, this is Pratyusha from Visakhapatnam. Your favorite actor, actress you want to work with. So, favorite actor तो रणबीर कपूर हो गए.
Favorite actress प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
Favorite actress, that makes it simple.
का आंसर खत्म.
Question तमाम. Ravan from KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Which movie genre is the best for you and where you feel comfortable?
अभी मैंने इतनी movies की नहीं है to realize that, but I definitely don't want to be comfortable. I want to always grow out of my comfort zones. तो कोई ऐसा मुझे decide नहीं करना है कि I'll be comfortable. जिसमें शायद comfortable होंगी वो करना छोड़ दूँगी. जैसे मैं अब चाहती हूँ कि I shouldn't be crying in my next film. I should be doing something more than that, because audience को भी कुछ नया देखना होगा. तो I think comfort zone से तो हर वक्त बाहर निकलना है मुझे.
So do you use glycerine for crying or
no? I don't.
You just work yourself up.
Yeah.
Work yourself up.
Yeah, I think I feel the character a little too much. और फिर मैं सोचती हूँ कि what the character would be feeling, it's kind of creepy, but then I start to cry. तो वो फिर उस वक्त directors भी परेशान हो जाते हैं कि now she's crying, तो करते जाओ shoot, don't stop. Although I told them so many times that it's not crying
money moment. That's like the money moment, dollar moment.
हाँ, लेकिन I can cry again and again, so I used to tell them to stay relaxed.
But don't you worry about that makeup smudge हो जाएगा and anything of?
I don't put a lot of makeup
for the crying scenes.
Yeah, actually for most of the scenes, because I feel कि वो आप मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरी acting conceal हो जाएगी.
And आप naturally खूबसूरत हैं तो ज़रूरत भी नहीं है ज़्यादा makeup की.
Thank you.
No, I'm genuinely saying it.
Yeah, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो अब मेरा पूरा ध्यान ना चला जाएगा कि वो मस्कारा को कुछ ना हो जाए लाइनर.
बिल्कुल सही बात.
So I don't want to think about that. And then I've gotten a project in which I was half the film I was sick. So there's no point of faking it कि makeup भी है और फिर आप sick भी हो.
बिल्कुल सही बात. This is Mohanty from Hyderabad. A report suggests you are doing Judwa Part 2. Is it true? Are you doing Judwa 2 with Varun Dhawan?
If I'll be doing it, it'll be all over my social media.
But
whatever I'm doing next, it's going to come out on my social media in a few days. My social media is like a newspaper now.
okay.
So whatever news I have, I can't contain it. I'll always put it out. But obviously, किसी भी चीज़ की बात हो रही हो, तो उसके बारे में I prefer not to say anything.
We get the hint.
No, don't get the hint.
We get.
Don't get the hint.
Okay.
I'll post about whatever I'm doing next.
जी बिल्कुल. But Varun Dhawan is a very very fine actor as well.
Of course.
He's very 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 fine actor.
It's wonderful.
You like to work with him?
Of course.
Alright.
I'd love to.
Sundus from United States. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is Sundus.
Sundus. Oh, are you reading these from Twitter?
Yes, yes.
Okay, this girl, I know this girl.
What
She's
do you like?
Very regular fan.
What do you like the best about being an actress?
Just being. Everything about it. Even just waking up, getting ready for a Faridun Shahryar interview. Awesome, good life.
Fantastic. What is the best compliment? This is my question. What is the best compliment that you've got for your smile?
I don't know. I don't remember. ऐसे याद मैं आपसे पूछूं, what is the best compliment you've got?
For what?
For anything, for yourself.
For
ऐसे
myself.
थोड़ी याद थोड़ी रहता है कि किसने दिया था बेस्ट. अगर आप गलत
आपके जहन में जो रह गया हो. अगर आप मेरा इंटरव्यू मुझे बता के करें तो मैं डेफिनेटली मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड होता, मैं आपको बता सकता हूं. नहीं,
एक्चुअली मैं प्रिपेयर्ड होके नहीं आना चाहती. आपको ये मेरे सारे इंटरव्यूज एक जैसे लगने लगते हैं.
ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो लेकिन आपको मिलता रहता होगा. दैट आपकी मुस्कुराहट आपकी बहुत डिफरेंट है और
Yeah, I think I was shooting for Sunsilk just now.
जी.
And my director said that I have a vivacious smile.
Vivacious smile. So that is the best compliment. Yeah. That will work for us. That works for us absolutely.
मुझे किसी ने बोला कि आपके इंटरव्यूज थोड़े, अगर आप एक ही दिन में 3 इंटरव्यूज दो वो एक जैसे लगने लगते हैं. तो मैंने सोचा कि कुछ सोच के नहीं जाती हूँ. मेरे सारे आंसर सेम होते हैं.
But it also depends on the sort of questions you're asked, because many a times what happens that you're asked the same questions.
But you know all those safe answers that one has.
Many times the answers are taught as well to
वही तो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ, you know about them ना.
Right.
Safe answers.
But we try. But I personally try that थोड़ा सा मुख्तलिफ कोशिश करते हैं कि that उसमें रहे. मतलब सिर्फ कोशिश इंसान कर सकता है, बाकी उसके हाथ में कुछ है नहीं. Akshay from Kolhapur, is it Pakistani drama that helps her to do emotional scenes in films better?
I think anyone's body of work would help them deliver better in the next project. So for me, it's been Pakistani dramas.
Right.
I've done quite a few in my country, and my directors have really worked hard on me. तो वो obviously सीखते सीखते आप सीख जाते हो.
बिल्कुल.
And I'm still learning. I think जो भी मैंने सनम तेरी कसम में सीखा होगा, it will help me in my second film.
जी बिल्कुल.
So of course, the body of work helps you.
Okay, this is Sho from Iowa, USA. Who do you look up to in Bollywood that you consider inspirational? So अगर आप रणबीर और प्रियंका के अलावा को अगर आप आंसर दे सकते हैं तो make my day.
No, it has to be Priyanka Chopra. I'm telling you, she's been inspiring me from when she became the Miss World.
Right.
It's amazing how she's grown, and जो भी वो कर रही है इस वक्त, it's just unstoppable is the only word I can think of.
That is brilliant. अगर आपके जहन में कोई और नाम आए तो अगर आप बताना चाहें तो apart from that, do you find?
अब मैं ऐसे कोई भी नाम ले लूंगी.
चलिए ठीक है. मैं समझ गया कि आप प्रियंका से आप बहुत.
आपने उस दिन मुझे कहा कि मावरा अगर आप हमें इंटरव्यू नहीं कर पाए तो we'll do a Skype interview. I just did it with Priyanka also. तो मैंने एक सेकंड के लिए सोचा done, let's do a Skype interview.
Yeah, I think your response was quite.
सोचें आप, but फिर मैंने फिर I thought कि नहीं मैं जा रही हूँ.
I like when you guys say सोचें आप. This is very nice. सोचें आप, जाएं, आएं, देखें. Chaitanya Srivastava from I don't know where. One significant difference between Pakistani and Indian film industry.
I haven't done a film in Pakistan, so I don't know. But definitely, Indian film industry is years old, and Pakistani film industry is still budding. So that's a huge difference.
Right, but you've had some like nice films, like Bol has been very good. I think.
But see, you can still count them. खुदा के लिए. But see, you can still count them. So वो उससे पता चलता है कि it's a budding industry. It's making wonderful films, but there are a few. तो मुझे लगता है कि कुछ over, but ये difference तो हमेशा रहेगा कि कितने सालों पुराना है Indian cinema और Pakistani cinema is a new cinema.
Okay, और आपको शेरो शायरी से आपको दिलचस्पी है? Do you like reading poetry?
होती थी पहले. When I was in school, I used to score really good in Urdu because मैं बहुत मुझे interest होता था. But I don't know. I was recently talking to my mom about it that I should start reading some good books again. So बीच में वो छूट गया. I was studying law, and उसकी वजह से I stopped reading books. I stopped reading anything at all because it was so difficult. So Yeah, I think I
But
should
do you like listening to all the ghazals like Nayara Noor is, I think, is very popular even in India. Obviously, Mehdi Hasan and
Mehdi Hasan
Ghulam Ali
Sahab,
Sahab,
of course.
they're extremely popular. But do you like listening to that?
Yeah, I've been listening to ghazals, and I listen to even Bollywood old songs from the era of. I don't know, I don't want to go wrong with the names, so I'm being careful. But yeah, I like listening to old songs and ghazals and Sufi music, and it's nice.
This is, I'm Kavya from Montreal, Canada. Is there anyone who inspired you to be an actress, or you always wanted to be one? So yeah, that you've already answered, so you want. This is Munami from Bangladesh. Hi Mavra, if you got 3 wishes in life, what will they be? If you had 3 wishes in life.
बहुत मुश्किल सवाल. 3 wishes. Can you help me?
3 wishes.
3 wishes.
That I may work with Varun Dhawan in Jodwa too.
Are you wishing that for me? I'll say Amin.
That will be a good option actually.
I'll say Amin.
Because it looks like a good project. I may do a film with Ranbir Kapoor next.
Amin.
Amin, okay. And apart from that, what? Third option?
Maybe a dinner or a lunch with Priyanka Chopra.
Dinner or lunch with Priyanka Chopra should be perfect. She is planning a family
Thank
vacation.
you for helping me.
Anytime, anytime. I hope that all 3 happen very soon.
Yeah, Amin.
So Monami from Bangladesh, she's got a scoop. Sindhuja from Chennai, how do you motivate to keep yourself happy when you feel low? Please tell her that I watched Sanam Teri Qasam 2 times and cried at the climax.
So sweet.
What? Her crying at the climax?
Yeah. You know, I had premieres for Sanam Teri Qasam in Pakistan. So I'm sitting next to my sister and my friend is sitting on the other side. And my sister's crying, okay, the climax is going on and she's crying and my best friend's like, ro rahi hai, wo chup karo usko. And I'm like, be quiet, let them cry. Because this is what I worked so hard for. So I think when people tell me that we've been crying with you, I'm like, sweet, nice, yes.
Now the name they've not given clearly, but it's like Varun Queen 1. And they said that do you wish to work with Varun Dhawan or Siddharth Malhotra in future movies?
All of them. I want to work with everybody. I just want to work. That's important.
Okay.
I just want to keep working.
All right. This is Pranjal from Delhi. What is the best thing you like in yourself?
I think my wish to just keep working, the idea that I want to keep working, that I'm a workaholic.
That's what you like about yourself?
Yeah.
All right, this is Abdullah. I don't know from where, that's not given. If you wish to have acted opposite in one of Ranbir Kapoor's movies till date, which one would it be and why? Any Ranbir Kapoor movie that you think that you could have been a part of, you would have wanted to be a part of, and why?
I think Rockstar because it was mind-blowing.
Rockstar. So
I personally feel it was his best film.
So Nargis's role, you think that you could have done better?
मैं बिल्कुल नहीं बोलूँगी ऐसे जैसे आपने बोला. You asked me a question, so I said Rockstar because I feel it was his best work.
No, I'm saying Nargis's role.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Okay, so they would have created another role for you. All right, that's interesting. Raj from California, are you happy or disappointed with your first Bollywood movie experience and response?
No, I'm very happy. I feel that the reviews I've received were amazing and people have noticed my work and I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आपने एक चीज़ कर दी है और वो अच्छे से हो गई है, उस पर अच्छे रिव्यू मिल गए हैं, so वो कहीं ना आगे आपको कहीं ना कहीं तो लीड ऑन करेगी. So yeah, I think this work will keep happening. कितने सालों से हो रहा है, आगे भी इतने साल तक होता रहेगा. So everybody finds their own little place in whatever work they're in. तो कोई, I believe there's no competition. I believe everyone has their own little place everywhere. So yeah, I'm happy that I found that little place. I'm happy to be one of the debuts this year. It's amazing.
Great. And Mavra, all the...
Oh, can we go back to the 3 wishes question?
Please do.
I have a wish to win the debut awards this year.
This year?
Yeah. And I wish it all the time. So I should share it with you.
Great. And I think you've been nominated for...
I will be, so I hope that I win all of them.
Fantastic. All right, so Mavra, it was wonderful talking to you, and thank you very much for coming on Bollywood Hungama and keeping up your promise. And I'm sure that your fans will really like listening to a lot of and watching whatever you say, because I think when you talk, the way you talk as well is something which is important as well.
कुछ मिक्स हो जाती है मेरी बोलने का तरीका, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है।
नहीं समझ में।
बस अगली दफा हम 3 बजे के बाद इंटरव्यू करेंगे ताकि
आप गा सकें।
हाँ, ताकि मैं गा सकूं।
Okay, like that. It's almost 3 o'clock actually.
No, it's not. I thought we were wrapping up, so I said it.
Right.
No, but it was really nice being on your show. I've really watched all your shows and I've seen how actors have a lot of fun on your show, and I had a lot of fun.
Right.
I had a good time, so thank you.
Thank you very much as well, and we genuinely hope that you get all the prized projects, since you say that you want to work with almost everyone, and we hope that it happens very soon. And
you have to wish for my debut awards.
And you have to wish for. We have to wish.
Yeah, you all have to wish for me.
You all have to wish for her debut awards.
You all also have to.
You all
wish for my debut awards. Thank you.
And would you like to please give that to your?
Keep my photo.
Yeah, please. That's amazing actually. That's really amazing.
I don't know why I didn't do this in Khich Meri Photo.
Right.
I was drunk. I could have done anything. तो ये भी करना चाहिए था.
Great. All right, so Mavra, pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama, and all the best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.